Here we go again. We're doing a science investigation.
Don't tell Nanny.
Don't tell Nanny? Yeah. It's a secret. Oh, he thinks I'm his mommy. Oh my goodness, look at that little guy. Hello, little cardinal. Hi there.
Can I see?
Just a minute. I want to see if we can... Oh, this poor guy is hungry. See if that is an egg. Oh, little guy. Okay, yeah. Boy, you're bald, aren't you? No eyes. Okay. Yeah,
Daddy,
look at
can
that.
I see?
I'm gonna stop the videotape here in a minute. Okay, you wanna see it? Wait, you pretend to be a bird. Open your mouth real wide. Okay, you're just like the bird. Go, mama.
Mama.
Open it. Okay, I'm gonna put a worm in your mouth.